Hi, I'm Dear Friends, and today I'll show you how to avoid changing the sizes of some selected and copied area while moving it in Photoshop. Okay, for example, we choose some small area, this eye, and we want to copy it, paste it, and to move it. Oh. To avoid those changes of sizes, we just have to be sure that you're clicking in this area, you're clicking with one arrow, not like with doubled arrow. Okay, and to be sure it's like this, first let us do Ctrl Z. To be sure you're clicking with white one arrow, not with double click. It will be now. Just zoom in your picture to do everything more accurate, and now you see it's easy. That's it. There is no problem with moving and saving the sizes. Okay, thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!